Hello guys, it's Midnight Trinity, and today I finally got my hands on the Monster Fast Fangtastic Draculaura food truck. It was on sale the other day on Target, and I got a bunch of stuff because I got some money. But let's get right into it. Might be a little bit difficult to open. I don't know how it opens. So this is what it comes with. I don't really want the truck, so I might just give it to my son, to be honest. And it just slides right out. So, get that off. And this is a little thing that came on the box. Also, if you hear beeping in the background, I live across the street from a parking complex, and sometimes their alarms just go off. So we've got some, I think these are onion rings, some maybe jalapeno poppers or tater tots, spider tacos. These are food holders. This one looks like ice. We've got some maybe ketchup. I want to say this is relish because it's green. And another food container that looks like it's dripping. So I'm going to put this to the side. And so let's so this is the stage. And I guess that's where the Monster High thing goes. So I'm guessing this is a pack of stickers. So there's this packet. Yep, it's a pack of stickers to put on the truck. So maybe I will do a separate video of putting the stickers on the truck. So we got this. It's a packet of stuff. We've got a little one first. So the stage. We've got, oh, I guess these are the mirrors. Yeah, mirrors. We've got some chicken nuggets, a bat microphone, some glow-in-the-dark wristbands, a skeleton hand, and a bat corn dog. And then we have some stuff for the stage. There's other, well, it's a stage and a food truck, so we got this table. We've got this guitar, a cauldron, this top, Draculaura's headband, and this little fry basket, which goes right here. And then this opens. Just trying to figure this out. So this is what the little thing looks like on how to put it together. And so now we're going to get Miss Draculaura out. I mostly bought this set for Draculaura because I have an obsession with Draculaura. Trying to get her out is more difficult than I expected. Sorry. So. This is Miss Draculaura. I really be loving her hair and her makeup. It's very different than regular ones. So that makes me really happy so that she looks so different. Sorry. Her like rubber band is like stuck in her arm. Here's what she looks like. I really am happy with how she looks. I didn't expect her to be this cute, to be honest, because I've only seen videos. Also, she's wearing cowboy boots. Like, and they actually kill me. They're like so pretty. So that's amazing. And she just looks really cute. And I'm really glad I got her. And so I hope you guys liked this video. Here's the chair that's supposed to be a chair and the driver's seat. But me and Draculaura will see you guys later. I hope you liked this video, and we'll talk to you later. Bye!